Sun Country 892, turn left heading 290 to center, maintain 3000.
Hey, we're working on something. Can we extend out just a little bit, Sun Country 892?
How far do you want to go?
Oh, maybe just less than 5 minutes.
I'm sorry, I can't understand what you're saying.
Oh, how about they just popped up?
Sun Country 892, okay, and it looks like you didn't descend, so just maintain 4000, continue your present heading, let me know when you're ready to turn inbound. Do you need any assistance?
No assistance just yet, but maintain 4,000 and we'll fly present in, very nice.
Sun Country 892, I'm going to run on airspace quickly, so turn left heading 270, vectors across the final approach course.
Alright, heading 270, Sun Country 892. Oh, Sun Country 892, we had like a flight control malfunction, so I guess we'll go ahead and declare an emergency.
Sun Country 892, okay, emergency declared, and what can we do for you? Okay, we'll get the trucks rolling. Just maintain 270 and 4000. If you need anything else, let me know.
We'll do it. Appreciate your help.
Anyways.
Departure November 101, Charlie is 2.2, climbing 5,000, direct Papa Lima Lima.
101 Charlie, Madison, departure radar contact, climb maintain 10,000.
10,000, November 101, Charlie.
Departure 346 Bravo, Alpha 1.7, climbing 3,000.
Number 346 Bravo, Alpha, Madison, departure radar contact, proceed on course and climb and maintain 10,000.
Course up to 10, 6 Bravo, thanks.
Departure 390 Sierra Bravo, 1,500, climbing 5,000.
Number 390 Sierra Bravo, Madison, departure radar contact, climb and maintain 10,000.
10,000 Sierra Bravo.
Beach Jet 1 Charlie, contact Chicago Center 133.3.
1333, November Beach Jet 1 Charlie, good day.
Sun Country 892, I'm going to start bringing you back in the other direction because I'm running out of airspace again. Turn left heading to 090 if you can.
Work, let's turn 090,
Number 6 Bravo Alpha, contact Chicago Center 133.3.
33, good day, 6 Bravo Alpha.
Number 0 Sierra Bravo, contact Chicago Center 133.3.
3330 Sierra Bravo.
Approach Secretary 892. Finally ran all the checklists. I think we're squared out, and we're ready for the approach anytime.
Sun Country 892, roger, then turn right heading 110, vectors ILS, runway 18, final approach course. Sun Country 892, if you got a second, could you tell me how many souls on board and how much fuel you got remaining?
So 115 crew of 6, so a total of 121 on board. And you want time or pounds? What do you use for fuel?
Either one will work for me.
8,400 pounds of fuel on board.
Very good, appreciate it, thank you. Sun Country 892, 10 miles from Rookie, turn right, heading 160, maintain 3,000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS, runway 18 approach.
Heading 160, 3,000 still established, cleared ILS 18, Sun Country 892.
Sun Country 892, contact tower 109.3.
Alright, thanks for all the help, man. By the way, we're still in the clouds, over to the towers, Country 892, we'll see you now.
Thanks.
Afternoon towers, Sun Country 892, with you inbound for 18.
Sun Country 892, Madison Tower, wind 180 at 11, runway 18, clear to land.
18, clear to land, Sun Country 892. And Sun Country, we just broke out of the clouds. Last guy wanted to know. It's about 2,100 or so we broke out the bottom.
Sun Country 892, roger, thank you. Wind 180 at 11.